In today's video, we're gonna test this AZDOME 1080p. This is a dashcam, 3-channel dashcam. It has one camera here for the interior, one for the front and one for the rear. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see the quality of the videos today. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is AZDOME Dashcam M560 3-channel camera. It comes with the manual, this one. This is the camera, it's nice. It comes already with a 65 gigs SD card inside, so you don't need to get an extra SD card. It's included inside of this one, okay? This is a GPS and Wi-Fi. This is the power cable, has a long one, this one, and a shorter one, this, okay? For the power, for the charging of the camera. For other cable, this one you can connect it to the camera from this one, and the other interior and the rear camera, they are connected on the same cable, and the charging cable also is included here. So everything now is in one cable, okay, in here. All right, so it's simple and easier to install. And this one is a little bit different than the other ones before, but it's good. Now this is the serial connection, this is the power cable, this is suction cup and double-sided tape. So you have two options. You can select this one or this one, and the suction cup is good, but if you live in an area that is hot, sometimes it will fail. So I like a little bit better the double-sided tape, this one. I have extra double-sided tape for the other cameras, some clips and trim tool, and these are films that you can put on the window so it won't fall, the camera it won't fall from the window, okay? And now let's install the camera, let's test the app, and let's see the day and night video view. Let's see the quality and let's test it out. Okay, first let's connect the camera here. Now it says to select the language. Let's see, English. Next, the time. I'm gonna select that one. Next, and now that's the date. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. That's good for me. Okay, now it's recording. That's good. As you can see it, those are the three cameras. One from the interior, one for this one, the interior, the front, and the rear. Okay. Let me move it a little bit to align it. I think that's good. So let's start with the settings. Okay, now we're ready. Let's see how the camera works. You can touch it and this screen will appear. This is turn on and off the audio here. This is to take a picture like that. And this is to lock and unlock the file. After you lock it, you cannot unlock it. Okay, so now the next one is to change the cameras in the view right here. You can change like that, see, only like that, and then remove to each camera. You can choose whatever you like on this one, okay? Now this one is to stop and start recording. The next one is to see the files. You can see the log files, the live files, and the pictures right here. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is for the Wi-Fi, to turn on the Wi-Fi to connect to your phone. We will do that later in a little bit. Okay, the next one is the settings. This one. This is to select the cameras. Which one do you want to see? All of them are 1080p resolution. Okay. Okay, now the next one is to change the picture in picture view. I think the camera view option. Okay, this is to the size of the video. You want to change it. Okay, this one I don't know. Okay, this is to time-lapse the video, but I don't like to do time-lapse, only regular recording. It's better for me, so I will turn it off. Okay, the next one is for the parking mode. You have to have a hard wiring kit, okay, and then you can change the settings right there. This one is for the parking time. How long do you want this to record? Okay, so you can choose there the time, okay, maybe 12 hours. The audio, you can turn it on and off in here. Okay, so you have it here too. The next one is coding. You can change the type of file in there. Okay, video stamps, you can select if you want the date and time to appear on the video, the file. The G sensor, okay, you can change it there. Now this one is the speed. You can change it to miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Okay, now this one, the time zone, we already did that. You can change it right here and you can go back. This one is for the daylight saving time. You can turn it on and off there. This is the date and time. You can change it there. You can update it to your time. And the next one, you can change the way you want to appear, like day, month, and year. This is for the Wi-Fi. You can turn it on and off. This one is for the screen save time. You can turn it on and off. Turn it off in 1 minute. So I'm gonna think in 1 minute. I'm gonna leave it. This one is for the touch tone. You can turn it on and off. This is for the sound. You can lower the volume. Okay. And this one is for the language. You can change it there. This one is for the frequency. Okay. The one for the GPS. You can turn it on and off. This is the GPS info. Okay. This is the files. Format the SD card and the information of the camera. Okay, now let's test the app. Let's connect it to the camera. First, download this app from the App Store. Okay, let's turn on the camera. Here is the app. Open the app and turn on the Wi-Fi here. Okay, and it says the name of the Wi-Fi and the password. Put that password on the Wi-Fi. All right, so let's do that next. Go to the Wi-Fi. It's right here, the name of the camera. Right, that one. Let's put the password. Ask join. It's joining. It's loading. Okay, I think it's good. Now let's open the app. We have to click on the live view. Okay, let me close the app. I think it's not connecting. Let me open again. Let's see. Now it's connected. It's good. So in here you can see the live view from the camera. And now in this one you have to stop recording. In this one you can select and view and download your videos. Okay, in here. Okay, now the other option is to let me stop recording, to turn on and off the audio. This one is to take picture, but you have to turn off the audio, the recording. This one is to switch the camera, and this one is to switch the resolution for the camera. Okay, now the settings. These settings are the same settings from the camera. Okay, so you can change them on your phone too if you want to. Okay, so now it's time to test the day view and night view of the camera. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with the interior camera. This is a day view. It looks great. There's nothing wrong with the camera. Resolution is good. It's perfect for the interior. It looks a little bit purple. That's because of the night vision. That's why it looks like that. Now for the front camera, also good quality, great. Resolution good. The light looks very good for me. And the license plates, we can read the license plates. That's the best thing. Because for the front camera, this one is the most important camera that you want. So this one, resolution good, the light is good, and as you can see, all the cars are very visible and the license plates are very visible too. Okay, you can see, perfect. Looks amazing. I like it. And now let's test the rear camera. The rear camera, I have a spoiler on my car, so it's gonna block a little bit the view. But as you can see here, everything looks clear. And if you are in an accident, we hope you are not, but if you are and somebody hits you in the back, the car of the back is gonna be closed, so the camera is gonna be able to record the license plate. But when the license plate is a little bit far, it's not visible, it's not readable. But when the car gets closer and closer, you can read the license plate better. Okay, and now let's see the night view. This is the interior camera. As you can see, super clean. It has a night vision. You can see everything, even that is dark is visible. That's good. That's perfect for the interior camera. And now for the night view for the front is amazing. The light, it looks super good. The resolution is good. Just remember, this is a 1080p. If you want to get a high resolution, you will have to pay more. But for this one, I think it's great. Resolution is good. The light is good too. I can read the license plate. That's amazing. Even when it's moving, it looks pretty good. You can see here, everything is clear and readable. You can see it there. I approve it. That's great. Now it's time to test the rear view camera. You can see it's good, but most of the cameras that have this problem, they have the glare of the lights. They block a little bit of the view, but when the car gets closer, you can read the license plate. Unfortunately, this car didn't have a license plate, but as you can see, it's very clear. You can see the logo, the front of the car, almost you can see a little bit the face of the person. So the resolution is great, and when the car will get closer to you, if you're in an accident, you will see the license plate. Okay, so I approve it. This is perfect for the resolution, it's clear and you can see it. Okay guys, this is the AZDOME M560 3-channel camera. Okay, as you can see, you already saw the videos, the quality. You can decide there if you want to buy this camera. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, it's a great camera, 1080p resolution. It has a lot of features. You can control this one with the app, and with the Wi-Fi you can connect it to your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.